Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install GCC MinGW 64-bit compiler for on Windows. Okay, so this includes compiler for C, C++, and other languages like Objective-C, Fortran, and D. And this works on Windows 7 and above. And it's available in two flavors, 64-bit and 32-bit. So you can read about this compiler here and what's the philosophy behind it. Jump to downloads, and here we have downloads. You can simply scroll down to this downloads section. Each versions comes with two flavors, 32-bit and 64-bit. Runs natively on and compiles for Windows 64-bit. Will run on 32-bit. This is 32-bit and this is also 32. Okay, so this will run on both. Okay, anyway, so we are going to download it. You must have a 7-zip or you can, if you have a different archive tool, you can use this too. I got 7-zip. So without LLVM ceiling, indeed, this is another download. If you need smaller package, you can do this one. I'm going to use everything. Ceiling. Okay, anyway, so download it. So it is 135 MB. It's going to take 15 minutes. $102 MB. Okay, this is going to take 3. This is 2 minutes. So I'm going to pause this one. It's still downloading. This is not right. Anyway, so what it does say here, snapshot versions. These are two types of runtimes. UCRT, MSVS, VCRT. So I've downloaded this one. I'm not sure what those are. I think this is most common. This is why it's on the top. Snapshot version. GitHub releases page. You can go here. This is pre-release. And pre-release. Why pre-release? I don't understand. Anyway, so still download. You can alternatively use code blocks, but I prefer to have it accessible from everywhere. So from command line, any core editor with inbuilt CMD command, whatever command line or PowerShell. So it is really taking long time. Anyway, so once it's downloaded, I will compile it and put it somewhere. So in the meanwhile, I'll just create this hello world program. I'm going to put this on my desktop. Let me see. Testing. Do we have anything? Okay, so it is on the desktop. And CD test box. and then I will just create hello dot c, and I'll macro it. So I've got macro command line editor, and I'm going to delete everything from here, paste it, save it. Okay, you can see it says saved. There's something wrong. This is one extra. How did I get those? Okay, so saved again. This is output file name. This is source file. The package name is going to be whatever you want. So we're going to say GCC output. So this is done. Open. Oh, I don't want to open. I want to go to the folder. So this is 7-zip. You can see so if you do not have 7-zip, you can download it. It's freely available. Just type zip 7. And then I'll rename this, put it in my preferred directory, and I'll name it MinGW. Alrighty, still it's okay, so it's taking a bit longer. These are DLL files, you can see. Done. What do we have here? Alrighty, so that's all I need. We already have done the job. So okay, before we do anything, where are the packages? Let's have a look. Oh, you're using here are the packages. Okay, so this needs to be added to the path. I'm just going to copy it and then go to this PC, wherever you want to keep it. Let me see if I have any specific. I'm going to put it here in MinGW. Continue. This requires your permission. You can directly unzip or extract your MinGW package right wherever you want to keep it. So I've got MinGW right there. You can see my cursor on. While it's being pasted in this folder, I'm going to take the MinGW bin directory path and add to the system variable. So simply put, open the menu, type VA and look for the edit system environment variable. Click environment variables. Under the system variables, select path and hit edit. Add a new one. Leave that bin directory and hit OK. If you have anything unwanted, you can delete it. Okay, here we go. Okay again. Okay again. So we have access to GCC. If we look at, find it. GCC somewhere here. You see G++. Right, so that's done. I just need to restart my command prompt and go to redstone, and then we have testing something, right? Now you go come to this one, so you simply say GCC -o as in output package name and the source file name. So it's going to be GCC no input files. So it is asking for file GCC or let's say hello exe and hello.cc. Now you can run the program. So you can simply say hello.exe and it says hello world. So it's very simple. I'll leave this link in the description. If you have any questions, just leave in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Good coding. Bye for now.